What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Gala, which has taken a slight dip in value. As you can see, 9% down in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.0431. So I'm going to be going through its next target. When is it going to pump next? Is it a good time to buy the dip right now? Should you wait for it to drop further? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as I've been getting a lot of questions around this crypto. When is it a good time to buy? Can it give me a decent amount of return on investment? So on and so on. So that is exactly what we're going to be going through in today's video, and mainly looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023 as well. And yes guys, a potential pump is on the way. If you did watch my previous video where there's a partnership with The Rock and so on, these things could have a major impact on the value of Gala in a positive way. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. And yes, even though it did take a little dip today, if you did watch my previous update on Gala, I did mention do expect it to take a little dip in value before it goes through another pump again. So that is exactly what's happened so far. So where is it heading to next? So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel and follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about a percentage in the last 24 hours. And we can see Gala is also down nearly 8%. In the last hour, yes, it has gained 4% in value, but it doesn't make much difference because overall it is still down 8%. Over the week, a massive 151%. Guys, it literally went from below the 2 cents target all the way up to nearly hitting the 5 cents. Did it even hit the 5 cents? Yeah, yes guys, it did hit the 5 cents yesterday yesterday afternoon. Rallied up to 197% increase guys, nearly 200%, hitting the 5 cents target, and right now trading at 0.0434. so going into the coin market cap website, we can also see the trading volume has gone down by 37% in the last 24 hours, making the trading volume $953 million. Yesterday it was about $1.5 billion, but yes, it has taken a step back, shall I say. Only reason for that is because Gala has also taken a step back. So most people are just holding on to what they've got right now. They're not buying more because it hasn't dropped too much to buy the dip. So it's only dropped about 6%. So most people are holding on to it, and that's why the trading volume has gone down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, currently valuing Gala at 0.02270. however, it is trading at much higher value here in green at 0.04299, meaning it's performing very well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I go any further guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours, over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Gala, but again, nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run, not as of yet anyway. So potentially heading up to about 0.045 cents is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. Again, we are also going to see red candles over the coming hours and green candles, but the green candles are likely to overtake the red candles, meaning it's likely to move more towards the positive direction. And moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the orange line clearly going in a bearish direction, looking a little bit negative, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction. As you guys can see, it may look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, it is slightly going in a positive direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other over the next couple of days. So here I'm talking about over the next week or so. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Gala, guys. Potentially heading above the 5 cents target is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at by the end of this week or very early next week. And that's what I meant by it's likely to take a little step back, a little dip like it's going through right now before it pumps up in value. So over the next 24 to 48 hours, max 72 hours, we should see it go above the 5 cents target. We should see it pumping a little bit more and more green candlesticks, and above that we should see it going to about the 6 cents target by over the next week and a half, maximum 2 weeks. We should be seeing it hitting about over the 6 cents target. But again, this depends on what goes on with the partnership. For example, if The Rock comes out with more updates and so on, then yes, we can see more pumps in the value of Gala. But at the moment, no major, nothing like 10 cents or 20 cents are expected as of right now, but we're gonna have to take baby steps. So we're heading the right way so far. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are going in a bullish direction, looking very steep. And when I mentioned that a graph or a MACD indicator is looking very steep, that means it is not realistic, and it's only basing it off the last week or so where it's pumped up so much in value. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. That's not what I'm expecting. Even though I am expecting an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting a bull run or a price bump or anything like that. I am expecting a minimal increase in value, potentially heading up to about the 7 to 8 cents by the end of February and hitting about 10 cents by early March to mid-March is what my expectations are from Gala. Of course, this may be affected by how the crypto market performs, such as if there's a major crash or a major bull run. These things will have a potential impact on the value, not just Gala, but the whole crypto market in general. But anything like that, guys, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, so good, guys. We are heading the right way over the next couple of weeks. So for those of you who asked me in my last video, is it time to invest into it? I would wait for it to drop a little bit further is what I said, and right now may be the good time, depending on if you're in the crypto for the short term or long term. I tend to keep in crypto for the long term. Only reason for that is I play it safe. Short term, yes, easy money, quick money, but it's also very easy to lose your money as well when you're trading short term. So I tend to stick to long term trading. So these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. Let me know how high do you guys expect Gala to go in January. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I've seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. Some even said $1, but again, we've got a long way to go for the $1 mark. So not anytime soon anyway. Potentially by the end of the year, maybe, depending on how Gala goes, with their partnerships and so on. But yeah, comment down below your expectations and your predictions on Gala for end of January 2023. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway once I hit 100k subscribers. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.